I can design, and I like designing. And today I'm going to try and design an Apple VR headset, or at least a concept, as they haven't been released yet. To start, I need to gather information like size and share. Wait, what? It's unreleased, ChatGDP. Well, actually, ChatGDP was kind of right, as I am going to use this image leak as a reference. Now let's model, starting with the low poly blocky model. Nope, not those blocky models. This one. Next was me just spending way too much time fixing my own mistake, which made the strap a real hold-up. Yeah, you get it? It holds the headset up? Never mind. Next, I worked on the screen, and fixed it to look a little more smooth, and added actual lenses. I also started to color it, and realized I could use dream textures to help with this. I ended up settling with this texture, but you can create any texture with it, such as a hardwood floor, and it came up with this, at least this time, as it will constantly create new textures every time you generate. Anyways, after I finished up with the texturing and tweaked the model a little bit, I was done, and I got this. I actually think Apple has potential to possibly have something like this, as they tend to like smooth, simple looks. But hey, since I now have a model, let's try an orangish-red one, or a silver one, or black, or maybe even a greenish color. Yeah, you get the idea. I can now see it in any color, or really do anything I want with it. So here's a small animation where it spins. Well, there we have it. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Would you even like Apple's upcoming headset to look similar to this? Either way, one thing's for sure, I'm excited about the headset, and I hope Blender supports it, so that I can actually model in VR. That just sounds awesome, even though I doubt it would be supported, at least for a little while. If you have any suggestions for what you want me to make next, just let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!